Want to get the best view of the HSBC Rain Vortex? Then watch this video till the end. First, you would need to complete immigration. Head to Jewel, the entertainment and retail complex attached to Changi Airport. Reach third floor, find a place and wait for this music to start.
Welcome to Changi Airport. As we start off the Rain Vortex, here's wishing you a day of sparkles ahead.
Do visit different floors to have different perspectives before you make your way to the top floor, to Canopy Park. Stroll around the park, take photos, explore the beautifully decorated statues like this birdie, this peacock or this little elephant before you finally arrive to this sitting area to find the best view of the HSBC Rain Vortex, the world's tallest indoor waterfall. Thanks for watching. Comment, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you like this video.